Welcome to this video on checking for suspicious network activity which may be associated with the recent WikiLeaks controversy. My name is Darragh Delaney, I'm Head of Technical Services here at NetFort Technologies. So for today we're going to modify a dashboard here within a Solarwinds Orion system to focus on this WikiLeaks data. Now some of the elements here we're capturing data that Solarwinds is gathering, and some elements here are displaying information being captured by the NetFort LANGuardian system. So here under Network, I've created a WikiLeaks view. And on this dashboard here, I've added some elements. What are the current nodes active on my network? What are the top clients, the total data generated? And here we have an element which is focusing on any systems out there accessing credit card or web payment systems like PayPal. Now recently these websites have been targeted with denial of service attacks. So we just want to keep an eye on what users on our network are accessing those, just to make sure that there isn't a lot of hits originating from our website. Missing element here, I want to add one which focuses on any users downloading the low orbit Ion Cannon application. Now this is a new application, it's been used by hackers, it's kind of really easy to use. You can launch a denial of service attack against a website or IP address. So we just want to make sure that nobody within this network is using that tool, or certainly downloading the tool. So let's go back to LANGuardian and take a look first at the data being captured. If we have any instances of users downloading this tool. Now to do this, we go to the modules, we go to web, click on advanced reports, and then select the report here, top websites and URI. In the URI field, just want to do a search here for the name of the tool itself. So if you just do a search for LOIC, just putting the slash in front of it there just makes it a little bit more accurate. So here we have instances here of users downloading this tool. So here we have somebody here downloading version 1.04. So this is the sort of information we want to get on our Solarwinds dashboard. So what we need to do now is click on the API button here, Orion Custom HTML, and we just need to copy this blue text. So just right click and just copy that text. Then we go back to our WikiLeaks dashboard, customize the page. Going to add a new element here on the second column. Select the miscellaneous and then custom HTML. Just save that dashboard off. And now we're going to modify that new element on the dashboard. We paste in the text we got from the LANGuardian. And we give it a name here. So we just call it web. I'm going to call it LOIC Hacker Tool. And we give a description. So web activity associated with the LOIC tool, and submit that. So within our Orion dashboard now, here we have instances here of this user here downloading this tool. So it looks like version 1.04 of the tool. And if any other users on the network are downloading this application and using it, so what I see suspicious here is not only have to download the tool, there's also a lot of data associated with the client. So let's drill down on the data just to see if they've actually fired it up and if what are they targeting. So within the elements we can actually do some analysis here. So we've got some UDP traffic, and that makes me suspicious, originating from the PC, targeting an internal server, over port 80, and they've sent over 700 megabytes. 0 bytes received, so it's just a whole pile of data being targeted at that server. So it looks like in this case here, the user has downloaded the tool, they've started it up, and they've started to send a lot of UDP traffic against the system running on the network here. And these are the things we need to keep an eye on as part of the WikiLeaks, as this controversy goes on, is people accessing credit card payment systems, PayPal, the likes of Amazon. Just taking a look and making sure that we're not having an excessive amount of hits against those sites. Monitoring user activity just to see if they're downloading these tools off the network. And maybe also focusing on any top clients, especially likes of UDP traffic, or we have a lot of activity from a single client to a single system within our network.